Welcome to a bold new tool for analyzing your data. Introducing Quantitative Semantic Framework. QSF is an interpretive framework that compares how standard models classify conditions versus how those same conditions look when an activity, probability, and boundaries are treated as preservative rather than eliminative. Standard models reduce uncertainty by eliminating what has not crossed a threshold. No event yet. No alert. No action. That works well in stable environments. It fails where risk develops before it announces itself. In medicine, finance, policy, and advanced technology, the most dangerous errors are not false alarms. They are false negatives, what was present but discounted. The quantitative semantic framework starts from a different premise. Absence is not removal. Inactivity is not zero. Probability does not erase structure. QSF does not replace existing models. It interrogates what those models are trained to ignore. Not by adding noise, by preserving meaning. Where standard systems collapse uncertainty into simplification, QSF holds uncertainty long enough to examine it. What exists even when nothing has happened yet. That shift changes decisions. Not later, earlier, not louder, clearer. We are currently running controlled lab evaluations of this framework, not as theory, as applied interpretation under real uncertainty. Participation is selective. This is for people whose work involves judgment under uncertainty, and who are willing to test how their assumptions shape outcomes. Participants must have access to ChatGPT through OpenAI. QSF is a framework that, once validated through lab testing, can be applied to many quantitative analytical systems. For this lab, we are simply packaging QSF into individual private AI chat GPTs that operate with both standard and quantitative semantic frameworks as their knowledge base, delivering comparative analytical solutions. The lab work requires direct interaction and comparative interpretation. If standard systems have ever felt too confident too early, this work will resonate. If not, this is not for you. If you are interested in participating in the QSF lab, apply below. Not to learn a tool, to test a lens.